Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find Apple ID email. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you have forgotten your Apple ID email and you want to find that, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, if you're logged into your Apple ID, so you can easily check or easily find your Apple ID email. Just open your settings app here, and here just tap on your name or the Apple ID, and here you'll see or you'll find your Apple ID email address. Or if you haven't logged into your Apple ID, so this is the only way. You just have to go ahead to your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Sport Web. And here, just tap on this your iPhone option, then select password and security. And here, you have to select reset Apple account password. So just select this option here. And here, just scroll down and look for this get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.